Living in an apartment and tired of driving to the car wash every single week? Or maybe your HOA won't let you wash your car in the parking lot. I've tested dozens of Waterless car wash products over the past 6 months, and today I'm sharing the 5 that actually deliver pro results without a single drop of water. Amazon links in the description box below, so you can grab whichever one fits your needs. Let's get into it. Number 1. Chemical Guy's Swift Wipe Waterless Car Wash. Let's kick things off with Chemical Guy's Swift Wipe. And honestly, this one's been in my trunk for the last 3 months. What makes it special? The high lubricity formula. I'm talking about that slick gliding sensation that makes you confident you're not scratching your paint. Here's what you need to know before buying. A 16-ounce bottle runs you about $15 to $18, and you'll get roughly 4 to 5 full washes out of it. That's around $4 per wash, which beats any coin-op car wash. But if you're washing weekly like I do, grab the gallon size. It brings your costs down to about $1.50 per wash, and it'll last you the entire year. Now, the application is straightforward. Spray generously on one panel at a time, and I mean generous. Don't be stingy here. Wipe with a clean microfiber towel using straight lines, then flip to a dry section and buff. The formula encapsulates dirt particles away from the surface, which is why it's so safe. You'll also get optical spray sealants in the formula that leave a protective layer lasting several weeks. The smell? It's got this cotton candy or blue raspberry vibe going on. Some people love it, others find it a bit artificial. That's really the only downside I can mention. If you're sensitive to scents, work in a well-ventilated area. Bottom line, if you want professional-grade protection with every wash and don't mind spending a bit more upfront for the gallon, this is your product. Check the link in the description box. Number 2, Meguiar's Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax. And this is probably the most beginner-friendly option on this list. Meguiar's has been in the game since 1901, so they know a thing or two about car care. What caught my attention is the synthetic wax barrier it leaves behind. You're essentially washing and waxing in one step, which saves you time and money. A 26-ounce bottle costs around $12 to $15, and you'll get roughly 6 to 8 washes, depending on your car's size. That's roughly $2 per wash, making it the best value option here. The formula is designed to be water spot free, which is huge if you live in an area with hard water. Traditional washing can leave those annoying mineral deposits, but this doesn't. The advanced polymer chemistry gives you that just waxed glossy finish in about 15 minutes flat. Application is genuinely easy. Spray it on, wipe it off, buff to shine. The high lubricity means minimal elbow grease required. I've used this in my apartment garage during winter when it's freezing outside, and it performs flawlessly. You can technically use it in direct sunlight, but I'd recommend working in shade to avoid any streaking. Now here's the consideration. While it delivers great shine on newer cars, if your paint is heavily oxidized or you've got an older vehicle with dull paint, you might need to polish first. This product maintains shine, but won't restore severely damaged paint. That's not really a con, just setting proper expectations. Link is in the description. Alright, number 3 is where things get interesting, the Aero Cosmetics Waterless Wash. Yeah, you read that right. It meets Boeing and Airbus specifications and can handle extreme temperatures from -70 to positive 180 degrees Fahrenheit. The 144-ounce kit with towels runs about $50 to $60, but here's where the math gets good. You're getting 21 waterless washes or 32 wax-as-you-dry applications from 1 gallon. That's roughly $1 per wash, making it the most economical option for frequent washes. Now, the real separator here is versatility. You can use this on literally everything. Paint, glass, plastic, vinyl, leather, rubber, granite, wood. I've used it on my car exterior, interior dashboard, leather seats, and even my patio furniture. One product for all surfaces means less clutter in your apartment storage closet. The formula is water-based, biodegradable, alcohol-free, and ammonia-free. It won't irritate your eyes or skin, and it's genuinely eco-friendly. Plus, it leaves a UV protective coating that prevents paint fade and keeps your car cleaner for longer periods. Now, the thing to consider, the bottle itself is pretty big and basic. It's not as sleek or convenient as a spray bottle with a trigger. Some users transfer it to smaller spray bottles for easier handling, which is an extra step. Minor inconvenience, but worth mentioning. If you own an RV, boat, or multiple vehicles, or you just want one product for absolutely everything, grab this one. The link is in the description. Number 4 is Adams Polish's Waterless Wash. Adams is made in the USA with a 110% satisfaction guarantee, which tells you they stand behind their product. The 16-ounce bottle costs about $18 to $20, while the gallon drops to around $60. Not the cheapest option, but the quality justifies the price. The extra slick lubrication is what sets this apart. You'll feel the towel glide smoothly without any dragging sensation. The advanced blend of emulsifiers and wetting agents encapsulates dirt so effectively that it's become a go-to for quick touch-ups at car shows. Got dust or fingerprints before a show? Spray, wipe, instant shine. The tropical scent is actually enjoyable, makes the cleaning process more pleasant instead of feeling like a chore. And since no water is needed, I use this year-round in my garage, even during those brutal winter months. Adams recommends their waterless wash towels with a waffle weave pattern. The texture traps dirt in the pockets instead of dragging it across your paint. It's an extra investment, but it reduces scratching risk even further. Here's what to consider. The price point is higher than Meguiar's or Aero, especially if you're washing frequently. For casual users who wash twice a month, it's fine. But if you're doing weekly washes, the gallon size is a must to keep costs reasonable. Best for California residents dealing with water restrictions, car show attendees, or anyone who specifically wants American-made products with premium ingredients. Link in the description. Number 5. Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat Waterless Wash. The 8-ounce bottle costs around $20 to $25, which makes it the priciest per ounce on this list. But here's why people pay it: ceramic coating technology. The SiO2 silicon dioxide creates a hydrophobic shield where water literally sheets off your car. It's mesmerizing to watch. This is a true 3-in-1 product. Cleans, shines, and protects in a single application. The ceramic protection lasts 2 to 4 weeks depending on weather conditions, which is longer than traditional waxes. Users with black vehicles would show every imperfection, report mirror-like finishes with serious depth and gloss enhancement. Now, let's be real about this one. It works best for light dust and maintenance cleaning. If your car is heavily soiled, you'll want to rinse at a coin-op first or use this as a wax as you dry product after traditional washing. It's not quite as forgiving as the chemical geyser Aero for heavily dirty vehicles. That's the main consideration here. Application tips from experienced users: work in 60 to 70 degree temperatures for best results. Use it on a cool surface out of direct sun, let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes before buffing, and use sparingly. A little goes a long way, so that 8-ounce bottle lasts longer than you think. The ceramic coating does fill in very minor scratches and swirl marks, making them less visible, but it's not a polish or scratch remover. Set your expectations accordingly. Best for newer vehicles with good paint condition who want ceramic benefits without the professional application cost. Check the link below. Thanks for watching, and remember, a clean car is a happy car, even in apartment life. I'll catch you in the next one.